Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Thought we might play a little game today, and it's not called What's in Your Wallet. It's called What's in Your Blade Bank. It's what I thought we'd do. Let your blade bank fill up a little bit, a month, 2 months, whatever, 6 months, a year, 5 years, whatever. Let it fill up, and then crack it open. And the bottom is removable. This is the Shave Nation blade bank. Once it's full, you can remove the bottom and dump out the used spent razor blades and start fresh. So I thought we could open mine up and see what's in there. So I'm thinking that we'll probably see quite a good amount of safety razor blades, maybe a few Shavette style blades like this, the pre-split ones, or the ones where you take a regular double-edged blade like right here and snap it in half. I'm sure we're going to see some of those. And also some Artist Club Shavette style razors, blades, Japanese style SR razor. I like to keep this protected. Let's crack this bad boy open and see what's in there. And let's see what you have. Let's see what's in your blade bank. Maybe make a list, your favorite, some that lasted the longest, some that you didn't like. We'd all like to hear about it. The pluses, the minuses, the pros, the cons of all your different types of razor blades. So crack it open, put some gloves on, be very careful. We don't want any injuries like that. You know, this actually, I'll tell you more about this in the video. We'll get to that, how that happened. If you want to pick up any of these blade banks, there's lots of different kinds. This is the Shave Nation blade bank. There's many others. Razor blades, razors, any other things. Just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there. Or go to ShaveNation.com, enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. Without further ado, let's get to work. All right, let's crack open that blade bank. Here we go. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what we got. They do tend to rust a little bit if they're in there. Okay, here's a feather blade. Astra. It's the newer Astra, it looks like. Another feather blade. Parker blade. Here's a Parker half blade from a Shavette. Merkur. Oh, Dovo Super, sorry. Dovo Super made in Germany. Here's a feather half blade from a Shavette razor. You can see that the tabs are bent upward a little bit where it was split down the middle. In case you didn't know, you can take a regular feather or any razor blade and split it in half and then insert it into a Shavette razor. You can also buy pre-split blades like this one here, the Parker pre-split blade, and insert those into your Shavette razor. Here is a Rockwell. Oh, we got a few stuck together here, 4 stuck together. Okay, so a Rockwell. Here's an Astra. This is the old school Astra. Let's see if I can find that other one to show you the difference. Here we go. Okay, it just dawned on me I'm wearing this Band-Aid. I cut my finger on a can opener the other day. I was making the gravy and the can opener, the electric can opener was malfunctioning and I kind of sliced my finger across the side of it. Let's get back to business. Here's the old school Astra. You can see dark writing, superior platinum, numbers on the blade, 3, 4, 1, 2. That's the old school Astra before they changed them. Here's the new one. You can barely see the Astra, but it's on there. It's kind of a reverse printing on it. Here's the other side. Nothing on the other side, but Astra on one side of it, and no more numbers. It just says Astra Superior Platinum. So those are those two. Here's a look at them side by side, just so you can do a comparison. Let's get back to these. Here is a couple more feathers. As you can tell, I use the feather blades a lot. Great durability, very sharp, and superior longevity as well. They last a long time. Oh, this is great. Here we go. I have a Merkur Super made in Germany. And it says stainless rust-free, platinum coated. And then also, here's the Merkur Super Platinum rust-free stainless. This one is made in CZ, the Czech Republic. So there's the two Merkur blades side by side, made in Germany. Let's flip it. Made in Germany and then made in the Czech Republic. So there's a couple of nice ones there. Here we go, Gillette Silver Blue Stainless. There's another Parker half blade, Chevette blade. Oh, here's a Feather Artist Club blade. This looks to me like a Pro Guard. It's got the little wire dots, the little wire guard over it. Great for beginners. Very smooth shaving and forgiving. The Feather Pro Guard, Artist Club Pro Guard. That goes into your Artist Club razor. Here's the cover for it. This is the Artist Club Japanese. This is the SR model. And there it is. You can see this has a Pro Guard blade in it. You can see the little wire notches there. That's the same blade right here. Same blade, the Feather Pro Guard. As I said, great for beginners. If you're just starting out, this would be a great blade for you to go with. Proprietary blade, works in the Artist Club razors. These also come in the folding variety. Here we go, Parker Premium Platinum. Here's another Astra Old School Superior Platinum with a Parker blade stuck next to it. And last but not least, the Feather. So this blade bank was nowhere near full, and I've got a pretty good variety of blades in there. So let's hear what you have to say. Wait a minute. Oh my God. Here we go. Look, I just dumped out more. We got more in here. They were stuck up inside there. I found a bunch more blades. So let's go through some more. Parker. Let's move these out of the way. Another Feather. Here's a Feather. You can see all that gummed up debris on the blade. I must have removed this from the razor and just thrown it right in the case. You can see that. That's why you want to rinse your blade thoroughly when you're done with it. Another Feather. Here we go. Mühle. Made in Germany. Razor culture. Mühle blade. Here's a Parker half blade. Another Feather. Again, feathers are among my very favorites. Here's this one. I'm not sure what that is. Kind of faded out. And another Feather. And here we go again. Feather split in half from a Chevette. Another Feather made in Japan. You can see they're made in Japan. And another Dovo Super made in Germany. This blade is a close runner to the Feather. These are made in Germany. The feathers are made in Japan. But this is a very sharp, durable, long-lasting, comfortable shaving blade, as is the Feather. Among my two favorite blades, this Dovo Super and then the Feather. Among my two favorites, right there. Let's see what's in your blade bank. Don't be afraid to show us. I'll put them back in there and close it up. You can keep filling it up or you can dump it out and start fresh. Okay, I hope that was interesting for you, seeing what was in my blade bank. Now let's see what's in your blade bank. Crack it open, make a list, what you like, what you don't like, what lasted long, what didn't last long, your favorite blade, your not so favorite blade, all that good stuff. We'd all like to hear about it. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 500 videos, shaving and more. And if you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there. All the different blade banks, blades, razors, whatever you need. You'll find it. Over 2,000 items. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. You know, I showed you mine. Now you got to show me yours. Quid pro quo, right? It's a two-way street. So let's see what's in your blade bank. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.